Here it rests, the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. Silver panels, partially disassembled. Warm light caresses each curve. Calm fills the quiet workshop. Hands lift the cylinder head carefully. Each bolt, each polished surface, precise, deliberate, flowing softly under the overhead light. Gloved hands guide the pistons slowly, one by one, sliding out smoothly. Quiet, metallic whispers fill the space. Circular motions with brush and solvent. Prime lifts. Metal shines. Gentle ASMR rhythm surrounds every movement. Crankshaft journals glisten. Oil sheen reflects soft light. Hand strokes smooth and deliberate. Each curve revealed. Two bearings placed carefully. Fingers guide them perfectly. Soft clicks, meticulous and precise. Microfiber cloth glides. Residues disappear. Polished metal gleams. Motion slow and deliberate. Soothing, calm. Gasket aligns perfectly. Fingers press lightly. Edges section in stillness. Head bolts tighten. Slow, steady click. Echo softly. ASMR workshop harmony. Pressure washer flows. Grease and grime wash away. Droplets catch the light. Low, deliberate, serene. Hands sand the frame. Smooth back and forth stroke. Uniform, tactile rhythm. Calm repetition. Protective coat settle. Fine mist on the chassis. Edges and curves embrace. Quiet, controlled, methodical. Exhaust pipe gleam. Mirror finish. Reflections form slowly. Hand motions precise. Metallic clarity emerges. Bushings pressed into control arm. Hydraulic precision. Steady flow. Exact movement. ASMR calm. Suspension bolts rotated. Clicks echo soft. Metallic surfaces glow. Methodical rhythm. Soothing. Aluminum panels removed. Laid gently on padded stand. Silver surfaces reflect soft light. Workshop still. Serene. Silver paint sands away. Long, even strokes. Dust floats gently. Every motion measured. Calm repetition. Small, dense taps. Soft, rhythmic taps. Going lightly. Careful restoration. Slow precision. Fillers smoothed by hand. Glide of plastic spread. Curves and edges even. Tactile and precise. Panels finely sanded. Uniform matte surfaces emerge. Slow, measured, rhythmic, ASMR friendly. Primer sprayed in overlapping passes. Soft mist settles evenly. Surfaces prepared. Calm, deliberate. Close-up of primer. Soft mist and textures. Gentle settling. Workshop calm, methodical. Panels rest quietly. Warm lights glow. Primed surfaces still. Serene patience fills the workshop. Wet sanding glides. Water droplets flow gently. Ultra-fine strokes. Soft, rhythmic, tactile motion. Silver paint stirred slowly. Metallic flakes shimmer. Liquid motion. ASMR liquid whispers. Soothing. Paint applied evenly. Wet metallic surface glistens. Soft reflections emerge. Precise, controlled strokes. Second coat deepens reflections. Curves and edges shimmer. Slow, deliberate, visual calm. Transparent layer glides. Glossy finish emerges. Reflections crisp and smooth. Subtle ASMR rhythm. Panels still on rack. Warm light touches surfaces. Flawless finish glows. Silent, serene, restorative calm. Wet sanding clear coat. Water beads move gently. Fine strokes refine surface. Tactile and soothing. Polisher glide. Gloss intensifies. Reflections shimmer on silver curves. Smooth, deliberate ASMR motion. Microfiber rotates along edges. Slow, careful. Hands glide. Metallic surface gleams. Peaceful rhythm. Fully polished panels. Mirror-like reflection. Light dances softly. Curves and contours highlighted. Calm perfection. Panels neatly arranged, gleaming, ready for reinstallation. Workshop still, serene anticipation. Rebuilt engine rests on stand. Polished surfaces glow. Every component precise. Methodical ASMR calm. Chassis and components await assembly. Warm ambient light bathes the scene. Stillness. Deep ASMR calm. Restoration